Now, we have 4 graphs on the board here, and the question is which of them are possible. Now, look at the 4 cases, all are temperature time graphs. On the x axis you are finding time, and on the y axis you are finding temperature in all the 4 cases. But you find that the line graphs made inside are of different nature in the 4 cases. So, in the first case we find that the time is increasing and the temperature is also increasing along with it. In the second case, the time is increasing, but as time is progressing the temperature is decreasing. In the third case, we find that the temperature is increasing, but the time is a constant. In the fourth case, we find that the time is increasing and the temperature remains constant. So, now we will have to analyze each of these graphs and find out which of them is possible and which are not and why. Now, the first case, as time increases the temperature increases, it is possible because as time progresses there is nothing wrong in the temperature increasing. For example, at 8 am the temperature could be 30 degrees, at 10 am it could be 32, 12 noon it could be 34, and the temperature could keep on increasing for this given period of time. So, there is no problem with the first one. With time temperature can increase. So, the first one is okay. What about the second one? With increase in time the temperature is decreasing. That is also possible because let us say he is starting at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the temperature is around 40, then 4 o'clock it has reduced to 38, 6 o'clock it has reduced to 36, by 8 pm it reduces to 32. So, it is possible that the temperature can continually decrease with respect to time. So, temperature can increase with time, temperature can decrease with time. So, I can say the second one is also possible. So, both the graphs first and second are possible. What about the third one? In the third one we find that the time is a constant, time is not increasing nor is it decreasing, but we find that the temperature is increasing. Now, what does this imply? It implies that at a particular time there are different temperatures, which is not possible. Let us say the time here is at 10 o'clock. So, at 10 am there will be a fixed temperature, the temperature could be 30 degrees or 32 degrees or 34 degrees, whatever it is. But at the same time it cannot show different readings. So, as per this figure it means that at 10 am the temperature is 32, 34, 36, 38, 40 and so on. So, at a particular time temperature is also a constant, but in this we find that at a particular time temperature keeps on increasing. So, time is constant, but temperature keeps on increasing, which is not possible. Hence, the third case is not possible. Now, the fourth and the final condition, here the temperature remains same. Let us say this temperature is 38 degrees and what is happening? The time changes. So, here suppose the time is 10 am, this is 12 noon, this is after 2 o'clock, then 4 o'clock, then 6 o'clock and so on. At different times we can have a possibility that the temperature is a constant. So, we can say that temperature in this case 38 degrees is a constant at all these particular times 10 to 6. We are taking this time period between 10 am and 6 pm, it is possible that the temperature remains a constant. So, we can say that this is also possible. So, in the 4 cases we find that the first, second and fourth cases are possible, but the third case is not possible.